Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another wig review. This one is in collaboration with Samsbeauty. Thank you so much, Samsbeauty, for collaborating with me during this video. So they did send me this wig. However, I will still give you guys my honest opinion, and my thoughts are always authentic, as I always put in the description box. Stuff is falling everywhere. As I always put in the description box below. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get into the review and everything about this wig. So this is the Stylist. Again, I love the Stylist wigs. For some reason, their lace front wigs sit really flat on me and I don't have to do too much. But I haven't had a straight one like this before. It feels really, really nice. And I just wanted to share, my thoughts on it. It is a 4x4 parting space, so you can certainly part it in multiple directions. It does come in all the other colors. And that's how that looks. Right now I just have on my scarf because honestly, you guys, it took me a little bit to try to figure out how I wanted this wig to lay, and I don't know, I'm still working on it, but I just wanted you guys to see it. So I just put a little bit of Motion Styling Create Versatile Foam Styling Mousse. I just used all of it, but I just put this mousse at the top because it was looking a bit wiggy at the top, sitting up a bit high, so I'm trying to flatten it out a bit by putting it on with this scarf. So now that we've done that for a few minutes, this is what the wig is looking like. And honestly, the wig is really, really soft. It's thick and soft, like African American hair, and I really like it. The parting space is like this, and like I said, you can part this at least up into here in multiple directions, but I just kept it at the center part. So with the Stylist, keep in mind, ladies, if you're purchasing the Stylist, like I said, I'll have Samsbeauty link down below in the description box. But if you're going to purchase the Stylist wigs, when you're cutting that lace, be careful when cutting the lace, because the hairs that are sticking at the end of the lace, they are really, really close to that lace, so you got to be careful when trimming your extra lace off. But nevertheless, this is a soft long wig. You can do multiple things. You can take more steps and pluck the parting if you need to, but I feel like I don't need to. I'll probably just add a little bit of concealer just to brighten the scalp part up a little bit. Is the wig. This is how long it is on me. So that's everything that I have to say about this wig. I will link again Samsbeauty information down below where you can purchase this wig. I will also put the price down below because I can't remember offhand. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you know every time I upload. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.